Need to leave feedback or make notes inside a PDF? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add comments in Adobe Acrobat Reader, edit them, and save your annotations for easy collaboration. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF you want to comment on. You can click Open File from the home screen or open your document directly from File Explorer. Next, open the comment tools. Depending on your version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, you'll find the comment option in the toolbar, the Tools menu, or the side panel. Click the Sticky Note tool, then click anywhere on the page where you want to leave a comment. A note box will appear, allowing you to type your feedback, reminder, or suggestion. You can also highlight text first, and then attach a comment to that selection. This is a great way to explain why a specific sentence or paragraph needs attention. To update a comment, simply click the note and edit the text. So if you no longer need it, right-click the comment and choose Delete. You can manage all your comments from the Comments panel as well. Once you're finished, click Save to keep your comments inside the PDF. Anyone who opens the file with a compatible PDF viewer will be able to see your annotations. And that's how you add comments in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're reviewing documents, sharing feedback, or organizing your notes, the commenting tools make collaboration much easier. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.